In example 2, we have a function graph below. We want to know at what numbers on the interval, so this is going to be an x interval, -4 to 4 is h discontinuous. And we'll describe the discontinuities. So what I like to do with these is I like to try to draw the graph or trace over it and see where I have to lift my pen or pencil up. In this case, I've got a nice red Sharpie. So as we trace this function, there is a discontinuity here. I'm going to have to pick my pencil up and skip over this point, draw that point, and then come back. So this is a point discontinuity at an x value of -3. Right here. There's a point that's removed. If this point wasn't here, you would call that a hole. As we continue on the graph, we're going to hit an x value here of 1, and this will be a jump discontinuity. So now we're not just going over a point and continuing the graph, we're actually having to move up and then continue the graph at a certain gap. So there'll be a jump discontinuity at x is equal to 1. As we continue this graph, we don't see any other types of discontinuity. Even though this has a little bit of a sharp edge on it here, a sharp turn, the function is defined at all of these points, and these points actually form a continuous part of the graph. So the only two values are -3 and 1. There is no infinite discontinuity for this one.